In this video, let us continue to solve problems by applying concepts of trigonometry. The problem that we have here reads like this. A circus artist is climbing from the ground along a rope stretched from the top of a vertical pole and tied at the ground. Now, quickly imagine, these circle artists climbing ropes and all those things. But of course, not the one where, two poles are at a distance apart and you've got a rope tied between them, but this is slightly different. The one side we've got a pole and the other side the rope is tied to the ground is what I believe. So let us continue reading this. The height of the pole is 12 meters and the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. See, the height of the pole is 12 meters. So one side we've got a pole and the other side the rope is tied to the ground. So it's kind of inclined at an angle of 30 degrees. So what we have to do now is calculate the distance covered by the artist in climbing to the top of the pole. So he's climbing to the top of the pole on this rope from the ground, right? So that is what the figure looks like. So we've got the pole here and then we've got this inclined rope here, right? And then we've got the ground here. So we've got the ground here. So now the angle that the rope makes is 30 degrees with the ground, and then we've got the height of the pole as 12 meters. So now this is the rope, right? So let's name this A, B, C. So what we have to do is we have to calculate the distance covered by the artist in climbing to the top of the pole. That is nothing but indirectly we need to find the length of the rope or find AC. That's all we need to come down to. As far as this diagram is concerned, we've got data. One is angle and then we've got a side. All we need to do is find AC, the length of AC. That's all we have to do. So now let us see what is involved here. Now we've got the angle, which is equal to 30 degrees. And then we've got the length of the opposite, which is 12 meters. So we need to find the hypotenuse. So now link the angle opposite and the hypotenuse. Which one? Sine, cos, or tan? It's definitely sine because we've got sine theta as opposite by hypotenuse. So also in the data we need to write hypotenuse is nothing but the rope. So we need to find the length of the rope, right? So now let's solve this. It's pretty simple now. Sine 30 degrees equals opposite is 12 meters and the length of the rope is what we have to find. Let us say this is L, right? So 12 by L. So L is nothing but L is 12 over sine 30. So L is 12 over sine 30 and we've got sine 30 as half. So this is going to be 12 into 2, which is 24 meters. So we've got the length of the rope as 24 meters. So the distance covered by the artist in climbing to the top of the pole is 24 meters. So that's all. The problem is bigger than the solution, I guess, but you see how simple it is. It's just organizing your data and then analyzing what we have to do and what we have to find. That's all there is to do in this problem. So that's the end of this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more such problems which we have to solve by applying the concepts of trigonometry.